Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasser the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine. Hello guys, do you know that the YouTube also tells you the most viral and search topic according to the nature of your YouTube channel? And if you really want to know how to find out these topics, this video is going to be for you and you have to watch this video up till end. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, open YouTube Studio. I have already opened the same in my Google Chrome and I am using Google Chrome as a desktop version. So go to the third option, which is analytical, and these are the channel analytics, and you can use the fifth option at the above menu. Then it is this research, and here the YouTube is showing top search on the YouTube, then recent videos on the YouTube, then top search related to the piracy, and then top search related to the Android software development. If you want to explore more topics, you can, for example, if you want to search for the search on YouTube, then if you want to know more of it, then you can click see all, and here you can see all the topics which are being searched on the YouTube, and you can create a content related to any search which is being done on the YouTube from the different public demands. Here you can see Japanese, Korean and Hindi results, and then you can switch. Now we have a look whether these types of search results are available on the YouTube Studio application or not. Then close, and now you have to open YouTube Studio application. This is the application. Then at the bottom, the second option is analytics, and then at the top of the menu there is the first option, research, and here you can see the same type of results. Here top search, and these are the top search, and you can click on the top search to view more of the search full details. Then click back, then recent videos, you can click at the arrow to see the full details, and these are all the types of the topics which are being searched or watched on the YouTube. You can click or you can go for any related type of the video to make your video according to the searched or watched content on the YouTube, so that your video can go viral over the internet and over the YouTube. I think that's enough for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.